Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a review slash press on tutorial of these nails that I got at Dollar Tree. As you can see, it does not come with glue, but we're going to go ahead and open it and see what all goodies it has, if it has numbers, how the sizings are. So let's get into it. So I think these are a really cute set. So let's just, I'm not trying to keep this. So here we go. It does come with instructions on the back of how to put it on and take it off. I don't think I've used this brand yet. Sassy+Chic. So, Dollar Tree brand. Let's see how it goes. These nails look super cute. I love that they have sizes on the back, so we're definitely going to get into these. Alrighty, and I'm going to cut, file, and trim my nails off camera for you guys. Alrighty, so I cut, cleaned, and filed my nails off camera. And now we're going to get into the pressing it on. And I washed my hands to make sure they're completely clean and dust and dry. So let's get into it. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, when they do have numbers, it's easier for you to see which ones it'll go on. Oh, that looks so nice. So just set them aside while you do all of them. Yep, that's good for my I think. Okay. I think they're all like, I can tell these two are different. Size is this. This is an 8. So that fits a little bit better there. I still think like different brands, when they have the sizes, that they'll just fit differently in general. But that's just me. Look at these. Oh, yeah. And these are literally the perfect length that I like. I love short nails. Don't get me wrong, I love the long ones too. I do. But I be too busy to be having them long nails on. So this fits. What size is this one? So one right here. Okay. This. And I like that these are like kind of transparent. Make sure I can see. Ooh. 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 I know you see me stunting on these. Yeah. Let's get into these. And as usual, like, I don't know if you guys can see these little ridges at the top. Always file down the top of the nails once you put them on, just so that it smooths out a bit. Okay. One drop. Oh, why is stuff acting up? Been doing all this before. I want to show off when we have company. Okay. I don't know, you guys see that excess glue coming out? And like I said, do not touch it. It'll peel right off once it dries. Okay. Or if you have a wooden stick, I'll get that and like wipe that on my paper towel. But don't touch it with your bare hands. Please don't. It does bond quickly to the skin. Okay, I'm not gonna do too much so it doesn't stick to my, ooh, y'all see? Y'all, baby. Y'all ain't messing with me. So one thing I did notice about these kits is that although it does have the sizes, it doesn't have like 2 of the sizes for me to actually use. So I think in the future when I do get this brand, because it doesn't seem that bad, I will just get 2 packs instead of just picking up 1. I mean, it's $1, so it's not gonna hurt me to just pick up 2. Because I'm not finding one that will fit this. I might have to file one of the bigger ones down. Y'all, these nails, oh, beautiful. That's not it. Oh yeah, I love this one. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now on the thumb, I do get a little generous on the 1 drop. Because remember, this is our wide, very, very, very wide finger. Oops. Let's have a good press. Oh, I think I messed this one up. Hold on. Okay, I found the one that fits my middle finger. Okay. Ladies, 1 drop to this. Y'all, that's one. 2 for y'all. This is our full. This is my right side. Let me get y'all closer. The right hand is done. I kind of messed up on my thumb, but it's flesh tone, so we can't see that bad. And if y'all can see it, oh, sorry. All right, so I just filed and buffered the top parts of them. This is my right hand. When I say I look fresh out the shop, y'all, get into these Dollar Tree nails. And this is my left hand. Like I said, this access glue will come right off. And be sure to wash your hands once you're done. Also, like, I don't know what y'all doing. Like, we saving money. It's Corona. Do your own nails. Like, fresh out the shop. Okay? Fresh, what is it? The lamp. Okay? Get into these. I'm here to help y'all save your coins. Okay? Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please tell me what you'll do different, or if you have any comments or suggestions, drop them below. And have a blessed one.